Why do doors squeak?
Squeaky doors are a common annoyance. The squeak is caused when the metal surfaces in a hinge rub together, creating friction. This friction produces high-pitched vibrations that travel through the door and to your ears. Understanding the science behind the squeak is the first step to fixing it.
The physics of friction.
The main culprit behind a squeaky hinge is friction. When two dry surfaces move against each other, the microscopic bumps and irregularities on each material catch, causing resistance. This resistance converts movement into heat and sound energy, leading to the annoying squeak you hear when opening or closing the door.
Everyday solutions. Lubrication.
Lubricating the hinge is a science-backed way to reduce friction. Common household items like cooking oil, petroleum jelly, or even bar soap work well. When you apply these substances, they coat the metal surfaces and help them slide smoothly, reducing vibrations and eliminating the squeak.
Quick fixes using physics.
The simple act of moving the door back and forth after applying lubricant helps distribute it evenly across the hinge. This technique uses force and motion to ensure that every friction point is covered, demonstrating physics in action. A well-lubricated hinge means less resistance and a quieter home.
Prevention and long-term tips.
To keep doors silent, regular maintenance is key. Wipe away dust, check for rust, and reapply lubricant every few months. Thanks to a basic understanding of friction and motion, you can use everyday items and a bit of patience to keep squeaky doors quiet for good.